So 3 David midnight. I got the perp with the shotgun inside the house right now.
With a shotgun?
Kevin, come on. Right here.
Yo, put that.
No, in the left, Come here, son. Stay here.
Put it down, man. Put it down. Yo, put it down.
He's inside the house.
Put it down.
Come on, your hands. Yeah.
Come on, with your hands up. Come on.
And away from the door in the hallway, just keep eyes on the door so we got the door. Go out.
Yo.
There's
Stay here. Just come here. I got eyes on the door. You go on the other side.
back of the building, watch the window. What floor is it?
It's a first floor.
3 David midnight. It's the first floor, middle apartment. It's gonna be male black with a ski mask on, with the shotgun in his hand.
Where's the entrance exit?
Just go to that gate, see if he doesn't jump out.
But the gate is locked.
Just check if he jumps out or nothing. Yo, are you coming out? Are you coming out or no? Let me see your hands.
Where is it?
I'm hit. Let me see your hands.
Where is it?
I'm hit.